Hey everyone, this will be a quick unboxing here of the magnetic wireless charging station 3-in-1. This is for, you see, for phone, earbuds, and watch. This one is going to be for Samsung and over temperature protection, which is always good. Same with over current, over voltage, and short circuit. So it should be very safe. Should not have any issues with anything like that. And then we can see the outputs here. So output for your phone is from 5 up to 15 watt. Watch is for 3 watt. Earbuds is for 5 watts. And this weighs 250 grams or 8.82 ounces. All right, go ahead and take it actually out of the box here. So of course you get a little paperwork there. Actually a nice little case. Look at that. That's very cool. Open that on up. So you can see this is definitely foldable. We'll come back to that in just a second here. And unlike phones these days, you actually do get a charging brick here. Let's see, so 15 watt, about 18 watt, and a bit around 20-ish watt or so. So it is cool. USB-C to USB-C, and this is actually braided. This is very similar to the Apple one. I was not expecting a braided cable. That's very, very nice. And then you got some, let's see, it looks like these are stickies. You can stick it to your table or something if you want. Very, very nice. Very nice stuff you get with this. And we'll come and look at the actual charger itself. Yeah, so this does have some heft to it. It does feel actually very premium too, because it has some heft and it just feels nice. Alright, then we can unfold it. And there we go. Or you can kind of fold it up in different ways. So if you just want the one charger or 2 chargers, or of course the 3 chargers. And this also does fold out, give you it like that if you want it like that. So again, then you can have the 2, I do believe is how that would be. Okay, so I will be doing an actual review of this once I get it going and get everything charging up on it and see how it is. But so far, first impressions, this is very, very nice. I am very impressed. Way nicer than what I thought this was going to be. I mean, I think it was going to be bad, but this is even like, I had high expectations and it actually blew out my high expectations. So, yeah, stay tuned. I will be making an actual review of this. Very cool. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a good one. See you next time. Goodbye.